The dice clatter across the table, and in that careless sound, the future of human decision-making quietly changes forever. Paris, 1654. Candlelight flickers against stone walls as gamblers lean forward, breath held, eyes fixed on rolling bones and shuffled cards. Money changes hands, fortunes rise and collapse in minutes, but beneath the laughter and bravado, a question gnaws at the sharpest minds in the room, a question no one can answer. When a gambling game is interrupted, who deserves the winnings? It seems trivial. A parlour dispute. Yet the problem refuses to stay small. Every answer feels unfair. Every rule feels broken. And so the question travels out of smoky gaming halls through handwritten letters and into the minds of two men who will never sit at the same table. One is Blaise Cal, sickly, brilliant, haunted by faith and doubt in equal measure. The other is Pierre de Fermat, a quiet legal official who solves mathematical riddles for pleasure, scribbling proofs in margins, never expecting applause. They begin to write. What starts as a polite exchange becomes an intellectual duel. Pascal paces his room late at night, ink staining his fingers as rain taps the windows. Fermat responds calmly, dismantling assumptions with elegant logic. They are not chasing money. They are chasing fairness itself. How do you divide the future? They realize the answer lies not in intuition, but in counting possibilities. Every possible outcome that could still occur if the game continued. Wins that haven't happened yet. Losses that exist only in potential. For the first time, uncertainty is treated not as chaos, but as something measurable. This is the turning point. The gamble transforms into math. Chance becomes structure. Luck gains rules. With each letter, a new idea takes shape. Probability. A way to reason about the unknown. A language for risk, expectation, and choice. In solving a gambler's argument, Pascal and Fermat unknowingly hand humanity a tool that will shape insurance, finance, medicine, science, even how we understand life and death. But here's the quiet irony. Neither man publishes this breakthrough as a grand theory. There is no trumpet blast, no dramatic reveal, just ink, paper, and a shared obsession with fairness. Yet today, every weather forecast, every medical trial, every calculated risk traces its lineage back to that interrupted game in 17th century France. A coincidence, a dispute, a roll of the dice, and from it a new way to understand the world. If this story surprised you, moved you, or made you see uncertainty differently, take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. And tell us in the comments, what's a small question in your life that might be hiding a much bigger truth?